Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take a quick tour of the OpenBOM for Altium Designer UI. In an earlier video I've requested and installed the add-in, and I've opened the design here. Again, the familiar LED matrix design, and I'm sitting on a schematic document. There's really two areas that we're mostly going to be concerned with Altium. One is creating catalogs from libraries, and the second one is creating bills of material from schematics. So let's start at a schematic. We're going to right mouse here in the OpenBOM menu. We'll have locate, create, bill of material, and settings. We're going to go to settings in just a second. And typically in this mode here, I would be using the create, update, bill of material. And then if I'm sitting on a library and I do the same thing, I'll see the menu is a little bit different. I'll also have the create catalog command available. So first time in, I want to make sure that I just go to some document here, right mouse, drop into settings, be sure that I sign in with my username and password, and click OK. There's also a menu available up here under the project pull down, which is also the same. So context menu sensitive, schematics get create BOM, and libraries get create catalog. Thanks.